Meaning of grandparent.
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 Grandparent. A grandparent is a person's parent's parent. In other words, if your mother or father has a parent, that person is your grandparent. Grandparents are often important figures in a family, providing love, support, and life experience to their grandchildren. They may also have a special bond with their grandchildren, as they have already raised their own children and are now able to focus on their grandchildren. Grandparents may play a role in passing down family traditions and values, and can provide a unique perspective on family history and genealogy.